What is your name? Nangi Radomgi naming kari kaubage. What is your surname? Nangi yumnak karino. Where do you live? Nang kadai dalayge. Where do you come from? Nang kadai dagilak pano. Where do you come from? What's the name of your city or town? Nakoigi sahardugi maming karino. From which town are you? Nang kari sahardagino. What do you do? Nang kari taubage. What are you? Nang karino. What is your profession? Nangi sinfam karino. Are you employed? Nang tabak taurabro. Yes, I'm a doctor. Hoi, ay doctor ni. No, I'm a student. Taudri ay satra ni. Are you married? Nang yung palabo. No, I'm single. Pandri tantani. When are you gonna marry? Nang karamkanda luhong doino. Who are you? Nang kanano. I'm James. What about you? Ay James ni. Nang di. I'm James. What about you? How are you? Nang bu karam taurige. I'm fine. Thank you. Ay nungairi. Takachari. How's life? Punsisi karam taurige. Pretty good. Yam nungairi. What's up? Kari taurige. Karam taurige. Kari layrige. Nothing special. Toidok palatida. I'm enjoying myself. Ay nungai tui. I'm enjoying myself. In which class do you read? Nang class kaya tamige. What standard are you? Nang class or standard kaya ano? What standard are you? What's your father's profession? Noy babagi sinfam karino. What is the occupation of your father? Noy babagi sinfam karino. What is the occupation of your father? I read in class 10. Or I am studying class 10. Ay class 10 tami. When is your exam? Nogi parikya karam kandano. It starts on 5th of June. June da. Hogani. O June gi tarik mangada. Do you love me? Nangay bunung shi bro. Yes, I do. Hoy nung shi. I love you as a friend. Marup kum nung shi. I love you as a friend. Marup kum nung shi. What is your favorite color? Nang nakwai di pam zabab machusi karino. Or kaino. I like black. Ay amubo pami. Amubo pamzay. I like black. What's your favorite curry? Nang nakwai pamzaba insang sa kaino. Or karino. I love fish a lot. Ay ngayam pamzay. I love fish a lot. Why are you crying? Nang karigi kapino. No reason. Maram laiti. Why are you crying? Nang karigi kapino. No reason. Maram laiti. Why do you cry without a reason? Maram laiti na karigi kapino. Or kaigi kapino. I don't know. Ay kangde. Maram laiti na kaigi kapino. I don't know. Ay kangde. Then stop crying. Ado di kaputo no. Kaputo. None of your business. Nataw nate. Then stop crying. Ado di kaputo. None of your business. Nataw nate. When is your birthday? Nangi pokpanumit karam kandano. It's on October 25. October 25 tani. When is your birthday? Nangi pokpanumit karam kandano. Will you invite me for your marriage? Will you invite me for your marriage? Nang luhong bagi Barton ingon da pirakadro. Yep, sure. Hoy, soidrabani. Yep, sure. Would you love me just for a day? Ay bunang na nong matanggi nung sibigira. I don't believe in one day love. Ay nong magi nung sinabada tazade. Nong magi nung sinabada tazade. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? Nang hauzik kidaw doy no. I'm gonna study my lesson. Ay para pagadori. Ay para pagadori. When are you coming here? Nang sidakaram kandalak doy no. I'll come tomorrow. Ay haying lakani. When are you coming here? When are you coming here? Nang sidakaram kandalak doy no. Where is your home? No yum kaidano. Kadaidano or kaidano. It is nearby. Anak padani. Anak padani. It is nearby. Can I come to your village? Noigi kunda ay lakpayagadra. Most welcome. Yam nataram na okchari. Can I come to your village? Noigi kunda ay lakpayagadra. When are you gonna visit us? When are you gonna visit us? Nang karam kanda ako'y dala kuraktuino. Ako'y da kuraktuino. Very soon. Yam tuna. Very soon. Are you coming today? Nang asilaktuiro. Not sure. Can't say. Saying drida. Pazana kangdri. Haibangamdri. Not sure. Can't say. How can I help you? Or how may I help you? Karam na mating pangzakani. Karam na adong mating pangzakani. It's okay. Thank you. Yareda tagatcher.
How are you doing? Karam tawrigi nangbo. I am doing pretty well. What about you? Yam nungairiye. Natraga phajana tawri phajana lairi. Nangdi kamai tawri. I am like a tree without its roots. Aidi mara yaudraba upambi gumane. Corona manungi waniko. It's wonderful to talk with you. I really enjoyed your company. Nanga wari sana base ngakpani. Yam na nungai kre. Ay tasing na nanga laymin na base nungai. It's wonderful to talk with you. I really enjoyed your company. I feel the same. You are such a nice friend. Ay su adumaina pawi. Nangse yam na paba marupni. I feel the same. You are such a nice friend. Why did your father rebuke or scold you the other day? Noigi babana nang nahanmuk sumtok idu natraga sayri du karigino. Why did your father rebuke or scold you the other day? He got very mad, angry, when I told him that I have no girlfriend. That's the reason. Aina mangonda aigi sai leite hairupda ma yamna saurami adunani. How can I speak or learn English faster? English si aina karamna. Tuna tambat na traga ngang bangamgani. We learn to walk by walking. Similarly, we learn to speak English by speaking. Ako'y na sat patambada sat lagatawi. Sap mana na English ngang basu. Natraga English ngang batambasu ngang agatawi. Spelling karalan beniko. But how can I speak English without knowing how to speak? Adubu English ngang bahita na karam na ina ngang agatawi bano. Learn many English vocabularies, verbs and their forms, cases and persons, and start sentence construction by following the rules given in the books. Learn many English vocabularies, verbs and their forms, cases and persons, and start sentence construction by following the rules given in the books. English ki wahay mayama matamsilo kangzilo ko. Verb amasung magi forms indu kangzilo. Do, did, done gumba haibdo niko haise. Cases haiba, persons haiba su tamsilo mayama malay niko. Case ki matang dasu. Adugo wahay pareng semba horo. Like the yaba rules in the loin illaga semako. Why am I so foolish? Aina supang isikarigino. Because you are not wise. Maramdi nang sing the beginning. Why am I so foolish? Aina supang isikarigino. Because you are not wise. Maramdi nang sing the beginning. I'll kick you on your butt. Naning the cow when yaina haimniko. Why do you want to kick on my ass? Ass have zisu but ning samaniko. Have I done anything wrong? Karigi nang na. Ining the kauning ibino. Aina karigumbaran bataw krage. Why do you want to kick on my ass? Have I done anything wrong? I'll kick you on your butt. No, don't misunderstand me. I don't have a kick back. Plus, I want to make your butt hard so that you won't feel pain when your teachers do the same. Nati ay bulana lawbigano. Ay gikaw ba back like kick back to ko. Adugi matakta. Nangi naning da aina. Nangi naning do aina kalhaning ba. Di am sunchum to ina kaukshala di kalani natra. Yam kanjilane ba. Ozana sab mana na tawrok pakanda na da na ba. Kallaw ni nadre da na ko. Love casts out all fear and makes all things easy. Nung shibana kiba kuding manghali amasung pot na tragathabak kuding laihalli. Love casts out all fear and makes all things easy. How can I show you how much I love you? Aina nangbu kayamuk nungshi haibase aina karamna utkani. You don't need to show me. I can see the depth of your heart. Nangna utpagidarkar laite ay nangi tamoy nungdu ubangami. You don't need to show me. I can see the depth of your heart. You are the vine, and I am a branch. I can do nothing without you. Nang na angur pambiduni, aina masa amani. Nang yaudana aina kariyam tatobungamde. You are the vine and I am a branch. You are the best friend on earth. My life is meaningful because of you. Happy birthday. Nang na aigi khwaidagi faba marupni. Nang na maram oiduna aigi punsi si artha leiribani. Happy birthday. You are the best friend on earth. May God bless you abundantly. May He grant you long life with good health of body, mind, and spirit. Happy birthday. Ishor na nangbu bor mayam pirasanu. Mahak na nangbu punsi nungsang ba amasung haksang pukning amasung thawai bu apaba lasanu. Happy birthday. May God bless you abundantly. May He grant you long life with good health of body, mind, and spirit. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for your kind words. Friends like you make me happy to live on this earth. Nangi thawza leiba wahi singi damag yamna thagachari. Nangumba marup singna aibu prithivisida leibada harauhalli. Thank you so much for your kind words. Friends like you make me happy to live on this earth, on this planet. Thank you for checking out my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done. Yam thagachari mayam aigi video singbu check out tawbigidamukta ko aduga like tawba, share tawba, comment tawba kaubiganu aduga karigumba subscribe tawdragadi subscribe tawbasu kaubiganu. Thank you.
Learn English or Manipuri through translations. How is everything? Karam tawrige, kudim kamai tawrige. Just surviving, thanks. Panging hingi, sum hingi, hing batani. Just surviving. How's life? Punsi se karam tawrige. How's life? How's life? Still alive. Sum hingi, just alive. Sum hingi. It's really a wonderful dinner. Masiyam na paba hauba ngakpa tok na hauba ngakpa adugumbat midangi sakle namani. It's really a wonderful dinner. Thank you. I'm so happy you enjoyed it. Adom bu thagachiri. Adom na nungai kibasi ayam harawe. Shut up. Tumin layu. Sahibani ko. I'm sorry, I swikre. If you don't obey me, I'll scold you like a dog. Ain haiba indragadi hui amagumna nang boy na chaygani. How do you want to spend your holidays? Nangi suti sikaram na nang lengadori. How do you want to spend your holidays? Life during the lockdown is like hell. Lockdown manungi punsisi norokumane. I have no lover. I am single. Aigi nung sinabi ay single ni tantani. I wanna learn English. Ay English tamningi. I wanna learn English. Why is English so important in today's society? Ngasigi samasida English siya maru werisi karigino. English is very important because it is the universal language. English siya maru oy maramdi English si malempung na makiloni. How long will it take to learn English? English tam masikam kuina changani. How long will it take to learn English? It depends on your hard work. Nangi hona bakan bagi makapole. It depends on your hard work. Why are the poor suffering during the lockdown? Lockdown manung sida lair basing na wana risikari ginaw. Because their livelihood depends on their daily wages. Maramdi makwegi hingbagi pambay si makwegi nongmagi kusumandunay tainay. Why am I so stupid? Ay nasukpang ni si Karigino. Why am I so stupid? Because you are not wise. Maramdi nang singda bagini. Because you are not wise. I'll punch you. Aina nangbu kinna tingani sini. I'll punch you. I'll punch you. I'll punch you. Why do you wanna punch me? Karigino nang na aibu kinna tiningi se. Why do you wanna punch me? Because I wanna make your face harder, so that when someone punches you, you won't feel pain or hurt. Maramdi aina nangi maido kalanning ba. Maramdi mina kinna tilapka na nangi nabas poweroi, dra soksa suoroi kalabani nako. Love knows no wrong. Nungshibadi aran bakangde. Love knows no wrong. I'll show you the power of my love. Ay ginungshibagi sakti ay utke. I'll show you the power of my love. Show me what you can do. Show me what you've got. Nang natawangam bado ingonda ulu. Nang gilayja bado ingonda ulu. Show me what you've got. Don't look at the appearance. Look at the beauty of the heart. Don't look at the appearance. Look at the beauty of the heart. Mapan thongi awat saktam daw yenganu. Tamoy ki phazabado yengu. Natraga uzaw. I can do nothing without you. Nang yaw da nai karisi tawangam de. I can do nothing without you. I am nothing without your love. Nang ginung shibiyaw dradi ay karisi nati. Don't mock at me. I have done nothing wrong against you. Angonda karem katay tawar kanu. Ay nangonda aran ba karem matatawkide. Don't mock at me. I have done nothing against you. I know what I am doing. You don't need to teach me. Ay natawrisi karino ay kangzay nang naamuk takpagi mataw tade. Wise people listen. Fools keep talking. Asing bamidi tay targalay ko. Apang bamina dum ngangalay. Empty vessel makes much noise. Ahang basa puti makonyam na to'i. Empty vessel makes much noise. I love the way you look at me. Nang naingon da yeng kut yeng doyam nungsi. I love the way you look at me. All that glitters is not gold. Arang ba sanado may pit lang mo daw. Kuding magsananati. Arang ba ngan ba kuding magsananati. A very happy birthday to you. May God bless you and give you a long life. Yam na nungay ba po namit amawer sinu. Iso na nang buborpi sinu masung punsinong sang ba o hela sinu. May God strengthen you and grant you the power to live a life of success and happiness. Iso na nang bupanggal pibir sinu. Amadi may pakpa masung haraw ba punsi marela mahingba. Ngam na ba shakti adubusu pibir sinu. May God bless your family and near and dear ones. Sure na nakwegi imong amasung nung siba mari mata sing busu bor pibirasano. May God grant you your heart's desire. Nang itamoygi pamzaba mayam dasu isor na tungan birasano pibirasano. May God guide you and help you in whatever you do. Nang natawba kuding magta isor na sing birasano amasung mating pang birasano. Thank you so much for your beautiful words. Nangi fazar ba wahi mayam du kidamakta yam na tagatchari. No words can suffice to thank you enough. Wahi amatana nangbu tagat pada konaroy. Thank you so very much, and I wish the same in your life too. Yam na tagatchari aduga nangi punsida su sap manaba wersano. I thank you with all my heart. May God bless you for your nice wishes. Ay tamu yaw na tagatchari fazar bawahi singdugi damakta ishor na nahagpu bor pibo ersano. I am so touched by your beautiful words that only my heart can tell you how much I appreciate you. Nangi fazarba wahi mayamduna aibu yamna su'alle afabaromda aigi thamoi kakna aina nangbu kayam thagat ke haibdu haiba ngamgani.